Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down to get straight to the point. This is part two. Toyota Camry was not starting whatsoever. Customer replaced it, brand new starter, brand new battery and all that stuff. It wasn't even the problem. In the first video, I was showing that light was flashing. We have a secondary key that was programmed. I programmed it with my diagnosing machine. If you go to my mechanic store, you can actually see all the tools that I use and purchase them yourself. But as you can see, it's flashing, and when I put this key in that's been programmed, I turn the key, that goes away, and the car starts right up. And a Honda, it'll be flashing up here in green. That means the key's not being recognized. And some other cars look for the security light. If it is flashing, it's not recognizing your key. If you like this videos, please hit that super thanks button if you like it. Thank you.